There you go, look. It's a hedgehog. Hi Bob.
Hi Bob.
Good morning.
Well,
you might,
not.
Well, it is really. You might have seen in a short that we did that we were asking for people to help. A local charity called Helping Hands, they're a food bank and they're feeding way too many families. They've got loads and loads of families, not enough food. Unfortunately, this weekend that's just gone by, some scumbag actually broke into the premises and stole all of the food, the nappies for the children, even baby milk. I mean, how disgusting is that? So we put a little appeal out on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram that you will have seen, hopefully. And instead of buying Christmas cards this year, we always like to donate to a local charity. So we've gone and got a couple of shopping trolleys full of things to try and replenish some of the stuff that they've lost.
Also thanks to Jay
Stansbury came with a couple of big bags full of things as well, baby milk and nappies and things. And Alan and Cheryl Machaffey gave us €20 towards our shopping.
So
thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Very much
it's not about the money. If you're in the area, you've got any food stuff, so anything like that, tins, unopened bags of pasta, and you can help, you can drop off at the office, Casas España in La Siesta, or down at the Oasis San Luis, and we'll make sure that these guys get it.
Even like I said on the short, even if you've had family visiting and they've bought toiletries that have not been used and you're not going to use them, drop those off, toilet rolls, sanitary products, anything that they can use.
Yeah. That's some of it, and then there's
some on the back seat.
Some on the back seat as well. So, thanks a lot. Right, I'm hoping this works okay. This is kind of planned but not planned. Those of you that know that we love the Star of India, they closed Star of India, they bought another place up north. Star of India's open tonight under new ownership. Strange turn of events, but the kid.
He's growing 7 months now.
Preet's here.
Hi Francesca, how are you? You good?
She's at university now.
She's grown, so.
Oh, handsome fella.
Hi Andy, how are you? You good?
Yes, mate. How are you? Tonight is the opening night, or the reopening night of Star of India in San Luis with new owners. We don't know if it's going to be any good, we haven't got a clue. We're still looking for, since this place closed, for a consistently good Indian.
A decent Indian restaurant.
We've been to a few Indian restaurants in the area and we've not been enamoured enough to want to go back. The one that we have enjoyed is a Nepalese restaurant in Los Alcatraz called Gurkha Durbar. Look in the back catalogue, you'll see that. Whether it's consistent, we don't know. This place used to be consistent and good, and hopefully these guys are good, and we may find out if they're going to be consistent.
I'm hoping they're going to smash it. Yeah, I'm hoping they're going to smash it.
Yeah,
because I'm desperate for to come back.
Yeah.
My dad loves Indian food. He needs a really good lamb Rogan Josh. That's what he needs.
Still not showing people who else is here.
Yeah, but these people might not know who these people
Reprobates.
are. Known John and Julie for a few years, sold them a house. So,
They bought a house from us, and in a couple of weeks' time you're going to see my house has got some birds in it, and that's because we're looking after it, after the birds.
oh
first.
yes, I forgot about that.
Okay.
That's fine. The wine's the same, the menu's the same. Placed our order, the usual stuff. Bob's gone for lamb Rogan Josh, extra hot, and she went. We've ordered special naan with garlic, and she went, well, just lots of garlic, and we went, yeah. We're trying something different. This is a king prawn chili, which we've never had before. Cheska's ordered a lamb Rogan Josh, normal, and Pretty Boy,
Chicken Rogan.
just...
Ah, le ditan como yo, le ditan los...
It is, yeah.
I bet you wish you were here. It's absolutely gorgeous.
It's so big.
The prawn puree is really, really nice. Very, very tasty.
I'm going to try some. Everybody else has tried some. I'm going to try some. A little bit of the bread, a bit of the sauce, a bit of a prawn.
Not sure.
But you can't say that.
Tikka karahi.
That's spicy.
That's supposed to be.
That is proper spicy. I've just got a little bit on my phone. That's really spicy.
So we got spicy, proper spicy.
It's really spicy, yeah.
And that's
Thank
the
you.
chili thing. Really tasty. I'm hoping the microphone's going to pick this up.
Yeah.
We're in Star of India, as you've seen. Great meal.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
And your name is?
Annie.
And also the husband is Sam. He's somewhere. Busy first night.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We will be
waiting
back.
For you, for all.
We will be back.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Liquor 43. Coffee. Beautiful, beautiful.
Barranquito in Disney?
It's a barracuda, a Disney barracuda. Better.
See, it wasn't my idea of Brits. I asked for a little 43.
That was beautiful.
We said when we heard about anything happening over in La Jolla, we'd let you know. Well, I'm going to let you know something. TM is one of the developers. TM's going to make their head office in a plot that's over 5,000 square metres with jobs, about 205 jobs I think that's going to be there. So that's your first bit of info on what's actually going to be there, as well as, I think we mentioned last time possibly, or Helen may have mentioned it, there's going to be a store there called Bauhaus. It's a bit like B&Q. It's a bit like B&Q or Thank You, there we go. So there's a little bit of information that's new on La Jolla. Today, Cheska and pretty boy Alvaro are going out, which means we're having fish. We're having fish pie.
Again.
Because we like it. And today's t-shirt, if you go back, it's from Phuket. If you go back through our back catalogue to when we went to Florida, we went to a place called Kobe, Japanese steakhouse, which is great. And the guy in there, the chef, one of the things he was saying while I was cooking was no money, no honey. Hence the t-shirt. Helen is also going to be doing prep for tomorrow's food, which is going to be steak and kidney pie.
I'm just going to get the meat into the oven now, actually.
$12.49 a kilo the meat. Which Helen's browning up with some onions. The kidney we had in the freezer.
We did, because we bought too much last time, so we've got half of it frozen. I just need to butcher it up a bit because I can't stand the chewy bits inside it.
Yeah, and in the fish pie, we've got cod, maluka, is it?
Yeah.
What's maluka? Hake. And prawns. And also in the steak kidney pie, bit of Guinness. Just going to make sure that Bob doesn't drink it.
Well, it's going in the pie in a minute, so he won't get a chance to.
That didn't go as planned.
No. Why did it do that?
I have no idea, because they've not been shook up or anything.
No.
Are you going to need 2 cans or is one going to be enough?
I don't know, I'll have a look. Let me see how it looks.
Oh.
So I'm going to put stock in it as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, so you don't want too much liquid, do you?
Well, yeah, 'cause we want gravy, don't we?
Well, yeah, but... What are you doing?
I'm boiling the prawn shells and the heads, which might sound disgusting, but it'll make a lovely sort of sauce for the fish pie. I've put a tiniest little bit of saffron in there as well. You can just see it starting to diffuse the colour from it.
And a bit of milk. It's in milk.
It's in milk, yeah. I'm cooking it in milk.
Therein lies the fish and the peas.
And the leeks.
And the leeks.
Yeah, I'm just going to make like a sort of white sauce but with the fish stock now.
Well, there's the fish stock that Helen's strained and everything else, and the potatoes are in. Helen's going to do individual size ones, which is the bowls are over there.
Yeah, they're quite big actually.
Yeah, but we're not having anything else with it. Steak and kidneys, beef and kidney, whatever, is in the oven. It's been in the oven for quite a while.
I just need to make some pastry then.
Yes.
Hello, Bob. You sure you don't want more milk?
No, that's fine, because there's going to be a bit of liquid in the frying pan that I'm going to just mix all this together with. So it's got parsley in it. It's a white sauce. Well, it's parsley sauce, but it's made with the stock from the prawn heads and the fish that I cooked in milk, and I've put a bit of cheese in it as well.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese, parmesan and cheddar.
And the parsley is out of the garden.
It is. So really, I think that's that sauce done. I don't know if anyone wants to dip the finger in it and have a little taste before I mix it into fish. And my dad's getting a spoon. Go on then.
Only getting a little one.
It's going to be hot though, so be careful.
Yeah.
The sauce tastes phenomenal.
It is very nice. And you pull your face at me boiling prawn heads.
Amazing even. Spectacular.
Oh, that steak and kidney smells lush. Helen made the pastry earlier. Just got it out the fridge so that it warms up a little bit so it's more pliable. Last night she did the beef in the oven, the beef and kidney in the oven. That cooked, took the meat out, made the gravy separate. So Helen made the pastry earlier and it's been resting in the fridge. Is that right?
Yeah, it's so that the gluten in it can do whatever it does. And I think that, do you want to lift the dish under for me?
Yeah. Now we had a little bit of the meat last night, and we had a little bit of the kidney last night, and I mean a little bit, and it's very, very tasty.
Cheska's just had a little bit of the meat cold even, and she loved it.
Oh, don't, because I'll have some now.
Well, it's going in the pie now, and actually there is enough meat there to fill that pie dish. I thought there might not be enough,
No, I
but there
thought
is.
Thank you.
Thank you, Karen.
Okay. Yeah,